Ho, 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 and Merry Christmas. Welcome to the Christmas edition of Chloe Biggers' AP Micro video for this unit. So today we're going to be talking about perfect competition and imperfect competition between markets and firms and how they interact when in perfect competition. So as you can see, we just have the run-of-the-mill, market graph, supply demand, and it's applied to equilibrium. So we have the market equilibrium, so we have the price for the market and quantity for the market. And then over here we have your firm graph. So an important thing to note about firms is that they're price takers, meaning that whatever the equilibrium price and quantity is set at market, the firm's gonna take that price, thus making your Mr. Darp line, which stands for marginal revenue, demand curve, average revenue, and price. Mr. Darp. So now, once you have your Mr. Darp line, you can just go ahead and plot your marginal cost curve, which is, as we know, the Nike sign, along with the ATC. So we have those components right here. Now, as you can see, wherever the marginal cost curve and the Mr. Darp line cross, that is your equilibrium. So you're going to dot down, making your firm quantity right here, and then your price obviously being what was taken from the market equilibrium. So this is your Mr. Darp line, your price obviously, and your quantity. So now let's talk about if the market changes its supply curve. So let's say the supply curve shifts, right? So with a shift in the supply curve, now the equilibrium is going to shift. So the equilibrium is now going to be right here. Oops, sorry, wrong color. The equilibrium is now going to be right here at your new quantity market. And we're going to dot over and make your new price market. Okay, so now to the firm. The firm's going to take this new price. And with that comes your new equilibrium point for the firm. So the new point is where the Mr. Darp line and the MC cross. So we are going to dot down for the new firm's quantity and still taking the new equilibrium price from the market and using it for your Mr. Darp line. Okay, now to conclude these graphs, there's a really good term that must be remembered, and that is profit maximization. So profit maximization is basically the process that companies undergo in order to determine the best output and price levels. Now, if that was just mumbo jumbo, remember, marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So, looking at profit maximization here, as you can see, if the ATC is below the Mr. Darp line, then there's a profit. Now on this one, the ATC is on the Mr. Darp line. But yeah, that is perfect competition and how markets and firms interact with each other in that state of competition. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Bye.